Hello, hello. मैं पहले से पढ़ लिया अभी आपके सामने या oh hi meter yes so I'm gonna start a Zoom call and send a link for that so that you guys can also join on Zoom bear with me, this is kind of a weird setup because I don't know if you can see it, but I'm using the Apple thing for my stream, so it's gonna be yeah. So new meeting, start meeting, and we paste it. And I don't know if people can hear me. Okay, but I'm going to just share the link so that people can join on voice as well. So open window. Oop. Nice. Okay, you can hear me. Okay. So I don't have a pop filter, but this mask can serve as a pop filter. So I'm gonna put my headphones on. Okay. Okay. Copy meeting info. Yes. Copy. Right. So now, hey Siri, open Discord. Gonna paste this in the chat. Paste. Come on. Yes. Hi, Alex. Okay. Yeah, so this stream is going to be trying to train switch sparse autoencoder on a small vision transformer, and we're going to try to do this in 2 hours. So yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah. Now, this is weird.
So I'm going to open my live stream over here on this laptop, just so I can monitor if everything is going all right. But I'm going to keep it on mute because you know don't want to hear my own voice since I can hear that already.
Yeah.
So live and here. Okay. So this is up here, and I'm gonna close this. We're in Europedia. Okay. I have cursor here. Okay. With my math application folder, and I have this my remote thing, which if I try to open this, should give me a command click. Yeah, so now I have this like notebook here. So I guess we're just going to try to get a run pod instance to SSH into, and then we're going to take some of the SAE training code, and we're going to try to figure out, hey, is there any modification we can make so that this works on like vision transformers. So if you don't have background, I can try to give it to you. But yeah, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And it's very super janky because anything can go wrong. But those of you who are in the Zoom call will be also able to see my spatial persona, which is like Apple's version of a VR avatar. Okay, so put my gloves on. Yeah, so let me see what's going on in the chat. And if you want to, you can also join my Discord server, which has because whatever you put in the YouTube chat, that's not going to persist after the stream. So I can kind of see what's going on here. Actually, let me do this. Let me open shortcuts. And let me just do my research shortcut so that I can kind of where did I keep it? Oh yes, here it is. So now if I run this, then it should open all maps. Okay. Okay. Yep. All right. So I didn't do that quite right. Everything is a mess. But let me just resume this. And yep. Okay. So now I can move this. Oh, maybe later. Matt, come here. Ayush. Hello, everyone.
Hey.
Yes.
Hello.
Okay. Cool. So it's pretty late here. I have my Texify, which is for LaTeX documents. I have my menu here. Discord. You're free to use that Discord. Slack here. I'm going to get to the messages later because it's not nice to read the stream. Okay. Yes. Feel free to make suggestions for things we might want to put inside this Mech interp deck, right? So if we have a Mech interp study deck, that would be pretty useful, right? And we have this Wolfram Alpha thing, which is just for me to use for math stuff, so I can kind of keep that small. And yeah, ChatGPT, which is maybe I'll keep it up. Okay, so. And I have my Juno here, which is for Jupyter notebooks inside this thing. So I'm not going to be using that much, so that's not going to get behind me. But yeah, so I have Zoom over here, so I can kind of see. And feel free to come up here, Ayush, Alexander, and Kabir, right? So we're gonna try to get the VIP thing to happen. I deliberately kept the vision pro feed a little bit small because I don't think text is as clear on it. But usually I try to make that full size. So take this ChatGPT and try and make it a little bit smaller, I guess, because I want to keep the live stream up here. Okay, in here, and we put Anki over here and ChatGPT over here. Okay, so now we have all of our windows set up, and I'm going to try to close my shortcuts tab. Okay, that's good for picking everything up. Okay, and I use this for make code snippets. So if I have a whiteboard, okay, we can try to keep our discoveries in the whiteboard. Okay, so is my mouse up working? Okay, testing. Is my microphone voice still coming through? Oh, my brother's here.
Yeah, it's still here.
So,
It's still here, it's fine.
I'm just trying to want me to switch around the main view? Nah, it's fine. I think I can just be doing most of my work in this anyway. So. Okay. Yeah. So this is the main view, right? The vision thing, that is not the main view. So it's only streaming Discord for now, which is quite strange. Usually it just plays the whole thing. So this must be an OBS thing. Let's see. I'll look at video capture device. Okay. Right. And then I have the macro screen capture. Okay. Yes. So, it should fix whatever was going on. Yeah. So on here, okay, just as an intro, close Slack. Okay, I need that. I have a warp, which is this AI terminal, and I have cursor, which is this AI code editor, and then I have Discord here, but I can close Discord. I don't need that. Activity monitor, just because a lot of tasks are kind of expensive to run. System settings, close, and all right, we're ready. My other little charge here, and what's that? Close WhatsApp. Okay. So what's the first step that we have? Let's see. I guess the first step is you just look at the chat and okay, Rapid, I don't know what it is. Rapid is for Python scripts, because I prefer Rapid for Python scripts compared to this for Jupyter stuff. But yeah, so let me see if my volume. Oh, my volume is there on the Zoom call. So let me test. Hey, Kabir, can you try saying something so that I can test whether my audio?
Yeah, testing. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? All coming through? Can you hear me?
Yes. I hear 1, 2, 3.
Awesome.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
It is a little bit lower volume, but that's fine. I can still kind of hear it. Let me turn live captions on so that I can kind of hear it. So
Yeah, could just be an issue with my mic or something. It's not this mic.
possibly to share screen as well. So you can also share your screen if you want to
Sure.
pair on this. So what I'll do is that there's a way to give people access to your thing, and so I will. I didn't have enough USB ports for reliable mouse input. That's going to bite me. Okay.
So, what are you using to actually do this?
Okay.
So I know you said you're using cursor.
So I'll do this. There's this live share thing, and it starts a collaboration session. So you will be able to copy, okay, and I'll send this invitation link in
All right.
so that you guys can do this. And I'll only send this in the Zoom chat so that you don't have too many people trying to join. So I'll open the chat here.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the chat? Oh, hi, I can see your screen. Nice.
Yeah. Sweet. Oops, I should not show it, but. 1 second. Let me just stop sharing it for a second. So I can respond to messages.
I can barely hear like this Zoom thing.
Oh, sorry. I was just thinking. I'm just gonna stop screen sharing for a moment so I can respond to some messages.
Wait, it might be coming to. Let me see. Is it because? Okay, of the.
Okay. So. Okay. Oh, I just have my own audio.
Okay. Yes. So I was going to share the live link with you, right?
Yeah.
So let me, hey Siri, open the Discord. And Siri never works when you use
Oh,
it.
you even got Siri.
Like usually I get this. Like, I think it's because of the mask I'm wearing.
Okay.
Okay.
What's sort of mask, by the way? Are you not indoors?
Like, here's what I can do. I can join the Zoom link from my laptop as well. Okay.
Wait, what's with the mask? Are you not indoors?
Because for some reason.
Can you hear me?
Like, oh wait, I can see the chat now. So can I paste?
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
what's going on? Ah.
Sheik, what's with the mask, by the way? Are you not
phone
indoors?
entering- That is strange.
It's using it as like a pop filter or something.
Hmm. Ayush, can you hear me, by the way?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, sweet. Okay,
Okay,
guess it's just
Alexander
busy.
said he'll leave and rejoin. Okay, everyone can see my messages. So,
Yes, yeah.
great. So, recent. Okay, so switch. And chat. Send. Okay. So you should be able to see the collaboration link over here. So if I just copy that again, okay, invite others, okay, invite link copied, and share it on Zoom. So, and you should be able to use this to like join the thing. Right. There's a bit of echo in my voice. Oh no. Well, there's nothing I can do about that. Sorry. I'll look into it after the recording. Right. So, let's see. Now that I have you on thing, you should mute me on stream if you're Kabir or Ayush,
Mm-hmm.
because you know you have my voice directly.
Yeah. We're done, yeah.
Okay, good. So now you also change the camera because you can kind of see my OBS screen. Camera. Yeah, okay. Good. So, share. Now. Okay. Right. So, is the. Okay, so you have joined the collaboration session. Ayush. Nice.
Oh, sweet.
And Kabir, can you also join it?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So now that should allow us to start. So I was thinking, let me stop talking for a second. Yeah, so I don't think I knew you from before. Like we just met today in like the Discord
Yeah.
chat. But like we want to train a VIT, like a switch sparse encoder or VIT. Now it doesn't necessarily have to be a switch sparse encoder, because like switch sparse encoders are like new. They came out like 3 or 4 weeks ago, and the code for them, I've emailed the author of that post for like if you can send that to me. because he just said that, oh, he uses this training library. So you can just train like a regular SAE if that makes it easier. But like there's this one repo called with Prisma, which is like a form of SAE lens. So we might like start with that. Okay. So first thing to do, I guess, is like import Prisma. So actually, let me pull up one of the tutorial notebooks, which are there for training SEs. So behavior resources, okay, and like with Prisma, okay. And I think I have a fork of Prisma with Prisma, so I might. But I already have it installed. But just let me double check.
Sorry, so what's Prisma and what's it got to do with this?
So Prisma, this is a question. Okay. Prisma is a Mech interp library for vision transformers. Okay.
Okay.
So they have a guide for training your own models over here.
Okay.
So I'm going to follow this training guide, but I haven't like read it before. So and that's kind of the scope for it. Like is to like use this for a small vision transformer, okay? And then we can try to train it on a bigger vision transformer after we validate that we have everything working for like this smaller vision transformer. So I can do this. I have.
Could you share a link to this at all, please?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Profile, repos, with Prisma. So here's my fork of it. I'm giving you my fork of it because, like, if you want to like submit PRs, like if something we need to change inside, I can approve those PRs instantly. Whereas Sonia might take a few days or so to respond. So let me share this in. Where do you want me to share this? Inside the live?
Anywhere is fine. I'll just save it.
Okay, so live share chat. I'll just share it over here. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So, just to validate that works as well. Okay.
Okay, so sorry, where's that?
So this is a link to Prisma. Okay.
Okay, so that's shared in the Zoom. Okay, not on Zoom.
This is the editor in the
Okay.
like.
I'm just seeing
No,
it in like
for that.
I'm just seeing like an empty VS Code.
So there should be a session chat. If you look at the bottom, share screen. For example.
Oh yeah, sure. I cannot screen share while the other participant is sharing.
Okay, so I'll stop sharing and then you share.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
Oops.
So.
Oh, is it?
So cursor, okay, at the bottom, right? You should see. Make this full screen. Okay, or like. Yeah, where are you joining the live session from?
So this is the web VS Code.
Web VS Code. Okay. So can you try opening it on desktop? Because I usually use it on a desktop, so I don't know much about the web VS Code. I know that it runs on Monaco editor. Okay, and Monaco editor has some features like which are not there in like the Electron-based VS Code. So
How do I go?
you can also use it with cursor.
Oh, sure.
But like you need to install it in cursor, and then that involves downloading it and dragging it.
Okay.
So for now you can just use the.
Sure.
normal
How do I open this link or whatever?
Let's see. You remember having the live share link? Okay.
Yeah.
So-
I had that was in Zoom. For some reason, I can't open the Zoom chat. Okay, here we go.
Okay, I can share it with you inside.
So I got it.
Yeah,
I
you
got
have
it.
it. So you see this,
Okay.
open it in this thing. So open VS Code on your machine. Okay.
Reopen the. Okay,
Yes,
reopen
reopen
Visual
Visual
Studio.
Studio. That should help you.
Do I have Visual Studio?
That's a good question. Oh, you do. Yeah.
Yeah, I do. Okay.
So does it
That's the best
tell
model.
you not to open a pop-up? Okay.
No, there's no like lock thing or whatever.
Okay, so let's try open it for you.
Nope.
So just
Just
open
like
VS Code
this.
first. Maybe what's happening is that you might need like you're on Windows, right? So you might need admin permissions for it to. Yeah,
I mean,
it's not
I should have it.
And
Yeah,
now
I should have
check
it.
if you have the live share extension. So Control Shift X.
Alright, okay.
Control Shift X and then live share. Okay. Yeah, install that. Okay. Once you install it, it should open it for you. Right.
Alright.
So since
Cool.
you didn't already have it installed, okay, cool. I've had some food delivered to my brother. Great. Okay. Kabir, have you eaten? Ayush, have you eaten?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. So,
Alright, still not getting this. Okay.
You can just do it in web then. Does web work?
Yeah.
Should work.
Yeah, I'll just try and work.
no, the thing is that the session chat was like less not available on the web thing, so that's why we are having it today.
Oh, okay.
Because I shared
Okay.
the GitHub link to like Bitrisma inside the session chat.
I mean, if you just share it in like in the either in Discord or Zoom, that's fine.
Yeah.
Like
Actually, you might, if you continue having troubles with like the desktop version of Flash, I can definitely like do that at the same time. Yeah. Okay, so let me open Zoom. Sure. Thanks. Okay. Great. And let me paste it here. Okay, and you should also now have it in the Zoom chat.
awesome, thank you.
Okay, so let me know if you can open that. There's a package on pip. You can install that package. You can also install it as an editable repo. The reason I'm asking to, like, the reason I'm forking it and installing it as an editable repo is because I expect to have to make contributions to Vitrisma as like part of this like project because it's not like alright, but yeah. So
Sweet.
if you join the live session, then you won't need to have it locally because what's happening is like what is there on my end is like synchronized with what's there on your end. So
Sweet.
So the thing is, you can't see what files are open, can you?
I don't think so. Let me double check if I'm seeing that. So I'm not seeing that on Zoom. Let me double check if I'm seeing that on. No, I'm not seeing it on there either. Okay.
So the live share link, when you open it in your browser, are you able to see like the mynotebook.py and the CSH?
Sorry, 1 second.
Because
No.
okay, Ayush, you can see it, right?
Do
Can
you
you
what?
share your screen, Ayush, and since you are able to like use the live share thing, maybe and you joined at the same time as Kabir, so kind of share screen and like show us what Kabir might be missing. Okay, so Kabir, stop sharing so that Ayush can share. Yeah.
Yeah. Done.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what you should be seeing, actually. So Ayush, how do you get here?
It was, let's see, what did you say? Zoom, right? Where's the chat? I just clicked this, and then it had the same prompt that Kabir's had, but I guess the button worked. That's about
Yeah.
it.
Okay, but you already had the live extension installed then, right?
No, I didn't. And
You
it installed
didn't?
it for me.
Okay.
No, it installed it for me.
Are you on Mac instead of or Linux instead of Windows?
I'm on Mac.
You're on
Yeah.
Mac. Okay, so the solution is, just like nothing works on Windows, I guess. Even on this Windows laptop, my terminal is like WSL. Okay, so
The VS Code application doesn't work on
Yeah.
Windows.
yeah, like thank you Microsoft. I used to work there, right? So yeah,
Yeah.
typical.
Classic.
So okay, you're good then. Nothing to do about that.
Yeah.
I just want to get Kabir unlocked so that he's not.
That's fine.
sharing it.
That's fine.
Okay, so
That's fine. That's fine. I can just use the web
and
one.
Just copy. So if you open your VS Code,
Yeah.
Command Shift V, live share,
Yep.
Okay, and you should be able to like join the collaboration session by clicking one of these commands, right? I'm not sure which one, but essentially, if you take the link that I sent you and paste it inside after doing Command Shift P, I think maybe that'll help you get started. Since you all have to follow this session. So let me guide you through that if you are, so open VS Code, like call that VS
All right.
Code.
Okay. Cool.
And, Command Shift P,
Oh shoot. Yep.
live share,
And
okay, join collaboration session.
yeah.
Okay, so you need to sign
Oh,
in.
I need to.
Continuous anonymous will also work, but like I think you already have a GitHub account, right?
Yeah.
So, cool. And this is part of the reason I set up these groups, because I think this sort of thing is like what blocks people, which you'll never find inside like a restaurant post or something. So
Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, I know. Like that's something I've just struggled myself. It's just like the super basic stuff, which is I like so basic that's just not mentioned.
usually Neil doesn't have people joining with live share actually. Like he just shares the screen and they watch it. The thing is, in my experience, if I'm not in a live share session, then what happens is that I zone out and like I just like the guy says, does this seem right? Like I don't have the ability to edit, so I have to like they tell me something and then I didn't hear it quite right, and then I have to like be like, okay, can you spell that out? Right?
Yeah.
And then it's like much easier to just like copy paste and shit inside.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. I mean, it's the whole thing of you learn with your hands, not with your eyes and stuff.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay, it's installing or something. Joining, it's just loading up, I think.
Yeah, you're on Wi-Fi or Ethernet?
Oh, Wi-Fi.
Okay.
But the Wi-Fi is pretty good. Like it's full bar and stuff. Should be fine.
Nice.
Um.
And then it should open it for you.
Okay.
Enter the URL of the collaboration session to join. So you see that up there? Okay. So you see that up there, like, no.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah, just enter your two-factor key. But there was a window that you weren't seeing. It was a black window that was at the top. Okay. So you see that enter the URL of the collaboration session to join near the top of your screen.
Ah, right.
Over
right,
there,
right.
enter the
Okay.
prod.liveshare, whatever that was there. Yes.
Mhm.
I've never felt this useful before. Because I've done this exact thing like once before, so like, yeah, I don't know how to figure it out.
Oh shit! Awesome. That actually worked.
Yeah, new skill unlocked. Right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Cool.
So Vitrisman, let's see. What you can try to do is import it and see if that works. So I'll share my screen.
I'm actually gonna try this with some.
So stop. Okay. Right. So you're good. So I can go back to share my screen.
Mhm.
Share. Right. So. And I haven't memorized all the keyboard shortcuts, so if I do something wrong, wait, what I'm gonna do is, if I do the Command Shift E,
Mhm.
and then toggle screencast mode, it should show all the keys that I'm typing like live, so that if you're like, wait, how do you do that? Then like it will be like easier for you to type, point out like errors in the workflow. So like I know that Command D like is the way to close this like sidebar, okay? But I don't know. I'm still learning. So import Vitrisma, okay, and
Mhm.
now we need to use it. So since I don't know how to use it, there's two options. We can start copy pasting stuff without understanding from here, or we can try to like read it a little bit and then install it.
I would definitely be copy and pasting.
Oh crap!
Okay.
I haven't updated my Zoom. Let me update it.
Oh, that.
I don't care. Like, let me stop. Like Zoom is working for I guess. 15 rounds. Gosh, largely. Yeah, no, I'm not pulling out my credit card on live stream. Okay. We might need to
no,
like.
don't do that.
I might need to share a second link once the 30 minutes runs out.
Yeah.
You know, so like just be prepared for it to die.
Sure.
And like notify the YouTube like if the Zoom call has suddenly died. And hi, we have a new person, Rishan. Then.
Oh, yeah, I
Oh,
just
yeah.
entered. Yeah.
Yes,
Hi.
welcome. We are. Can you see the chat? If you,
Yes.
In Zoom, like some people who join newly, they can't see
Oh,
the
I'm
chat.
actually gonna. Sheik, are you okay if I share the live share thing, on Discord?
Yes, go ahead.
So,
It's just like I don't know how live share scales, so you know I'm just like worried that like performance might get better if like. Oh,
Yeah.
I got a notification. Oh, but it's just you. Okay.
yeah, it's just Discord.
Yeah. So what we're doing is installing the base VIT. Okay, after this. So okay, and right Chrome, and okay. So now alt tab cursor. Okay, and so how should I set this up? Let me make cursor full screen. Okay, and I can kind of like just swipe between things if I need to. So
Mhm.
make this full screen, and make warp full screen. Okay, right. So that's why we're only looking at one thing at a time. If I have like a more complicated window setup, then I tend to like get it drowned out in it. Okay. So low battery. So time left 7 minutes. Okay. So look at this for a second. In this, like, let me send this in the Zoom link. I just get a charger for my Vision Pro. I'm not sure if your sound is going to show up on stream. So let me just do this. Macro speed capture. Like, let me check if I'm including the audio or not. Like, it should include the audio. So macro audio capture, desktop audio capture. Yeah. So it will capture the audio because audio capture is done. So whatever you say, you know, will be available to people on YouTube as well. Okay. So let me just do this. I'll start a new Zoom call because we have 5 minutes left in this one, and I will get the charger from my headset because it's running out of charge, and then you can just tell me what you have read in the 5 minutes after sharing the link in Discord. Okay. And you can also help Rushan with like the live share setup if he needs help with that. Okay. So be right back.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Vision transformers, which is like, bidirectional attention, 16 by 16 patches on like 244 by 244 image. Okay, so 1 second. Let me just like make sure that this is showing up on stream, because I just checked and it's like I'm sharing the wrong window for it to show up on stream. So let me get this on display capture. Okay. And yeah, okay, and window capture. Sorry.
Just curious, are you all going to plan to do some work on the interpretive work of multi-model models? Because traditionally, I think the most of the transformer lens and the SAE work are basically based on traditional large language models, and they didn't take into account about multi-model models.
Yeah, I think like at least I'm interested in multimodal stuff. I find that very
Yeah.
cool. That we're doing today, at least. And there is some stuff like this VIT Prisma thing, right? It's for vision. And then like someone released one for audio recently. Or no, that was like 8 months ago. But yeah. So there's a smattering of stuff for other modalities too, thankfully. But nothing as nice as transformer lens yet.
Yeah, and so I think that the common part inside our project might be like if we train the SAE, then all of us will need to like analyze it, right? So it makes sense for us to work at least on this part of it. Yeah, you guys say something?
Yeah. I know. I think it's just Rushan who asked that.
Yeah, I'm gonna be eating food, so I'll be on mute. Okay, but
It's fine. It's fine. No worries. By the way, Ayush, have you already like done some kind of like SAEs and stuff?
I have not done SAEs, but I have been doing some like steering stuff. But I still
Okay.
don't understand what's going on with SAEs at all.
Perfect. Rushan yourself?
I'm also new to this. Yeah.
Same.
I actually just noticed that as
Sweet. Yeah. Rushan, what you said?
Yeah, I'm still new to SAE and I'm just playing with this Neuropedia demo, trying to find some features now.
Nice. Something I want to try is like speed running, like some interp stuff. Just seeing like how fast like we can actually get with like finding and interpreting a circuit. I don't know if that's something that's like doable, but I'd like to make that a thing.
Mm.
Like,
So do you want to play with a small model or just trying to efficiently find circuits within maybe some large models, for example, Gemma 2?
yeah, mostly like the latter, like try and find like
I see.
yeah.
Yeah.
'Cause I think there's probably like a lot of like optimization which can be done, which just hasn't been. Like,
Yeah, I'm really not familiar with the method of finding these circuits automatically. Yeah.
yeah. I don't think it necessarily has to be like automatic. Like probably there'll be like different like categories and stuff of doing it. But just like even like with the manual one, um, you know, oh, this technique is better for finding faster, or this library is better, or this training method is better. That kind of stuff. I think there's like a lot of ways to optimize it.
I see. Is there any demo for their method of finding automatic circuits?
I
AC/DC, right? Or
what's that?
automated circuit discovery from Conme, or like Conme.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've seen that.
Although
one.
I'm less interested in weight-based stuff than activation-based stuff nowadays.
So what are the activation ones then? Like I don't know. I just looked at.
I don't know about activation stuff that's automatic.
Hmm.
There is new SA feature steering on your NVIDIA. Anyway, I'm done eating, so I guess I can kind of like open my editor back up. Yeah. So. And yeah, people on stream are good. I'm minimizing my vision profile now because it's on charge. But we were catch me up. What did I miss, like in terms of discussion?
Not much. I was just asking like what folks have done before.
Cool. So I'm assuming a little bit of background that people know about vision transformers. But I realized that I made this background assumption without asking. So have people like kind of skimmed the VIT paper from like 2020, which is like released in 2021, or like yeah.
I have not. I'll have a look through.
Yeah, I've built a VIT before, though that was like what 2 years ago or something like that. So yeah, let's skim the paper and stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna start sharing my screen again.
Sweet.
So yeah, I'm also not super familiar with VITs, right? Like I've read posts on them, but I haven't like implemented a VIT from scratch. It's just that this guy at Anthropic, Ted Moskowitz, like he joined recently, and right before he joined, like he had done a blog post which was like implementing VIT from scratch. So I think that it's going to be, since it's already so that it's going to be like taken by the big labs more. But that's like my hot take. Okay. And right, so let's see. So what's our goal here? I guess maybe what I might want to do is give us some compute for training. So if you can send me your emails somehow, I can add you to a team
sure.
on Vast or Runpod, and that will allow us to SSH into compute node. So I'm already running a live stream after this, and I don't want to mess with like metal stuff, which is like running stuff on Apple Silicon. So we're going to be running this on like a proper GPU. And it's only an hour or two, so it'll be only $1 or $2, so it's worth just like getting some.
Awesome.
So, and if you give me your, do you know how to get your SSH public key also? Because I need that for you to be able to SSH into that remote box.
Sure. One sec.
Okay. So get your SSH public key and your email, and then you get an invite link for using like a thick GPU. So how do you guys usually do your research? Do you prefer Vast, RunPod, Colab? I'm flexible.
I normally just use Colab.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm using a collab and low-key hating it.
So I think everybody starts off on Colab, and then everybody eventually switches over. Like Colab is free. It's good if you are like reading a blog post on the internet and you're like running, it's cell by cell. But Colab, I've been burned by it. Like I once stayed up all night babysitting a training run, and I had bought like Colab Pro and I had like credits and stuff, but they still shut me down even though I was like jiggling my mouse. So it's like traumatized with me. So what I'll do is I'll share with you guys, and I've shared this with Sasha before, a link to a Google Doc about getting set up on Vast, okay? And you can go through that. It's because I think a lot of people, they start with the documentation, but like the documentation sucks. So
Yeah, as always.
So
Sorry. So what is this? This is.
So in order to train the model, we're going to need hardware to train it on, right? Okay. And my friend with 12 A100s is sleeping right now. And the way it works is like I need to give him a script and then he runs the script for me. And it's not easy to do that interactively. So what we're doing is we're just going to spend a couple of bucks on renting a cloud GPU. And then we log into that cloud GPU so that we can run our commands. But locally we develop our code and then we just like kind of deploy it on the cloud GPU. Okay?
Sorry.
So I remember that I said this in Illustrator AI, so let me just kind of from Getty. Aha! I found it. So I'm going to share this in the Discord group DMs. And this is a guide that you can use to get set up on Vast. When I went to Lisa, I think that in London, a lot of people are using Vast. But I think in SF, people are mostly using RunPod.io. So if you're going to sign up with my referral link, okay, if you're like new to it, because that way I'll get money when you spend money on it, like free, and it'll be free. So I'm going to share with you this guide, but I'll also share with you the referral link so that, we can kind of just sign up with that link, okay?
Are you in London, by the way?
Sorry, what do you mean?
Are you in London, by the way?
No, I was in London for 2 months. Right now I'm in Dubai, so it's like 5 something a.m.
Yeah.
But I work like PST hours, right? So, and I have shared
Your
my
CV said that you're in London, and Lisa, come say hi. I guess I can no longer do that.
Yeah, why not?
Because you're in Dubai and not in London.
Oh yeah. I might come back to London like last week of September. We should meet up then. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
Okay, so I sent this. Are you going to need permission for that? Okay, so I think I'm on standby to like give you guys permission for the Google Doc if you need that. So just like request access and I'll approve the access request.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just did it. Okay. Oh, sweet. So.
Boop, boop. I see the request and approve.
Okay.
And
So-
this is great because now I also get your emails for adding you to the Vast team. So two
Awesome.
birds with one stone.
Sweet. Do I still need to send you the SSH stuff?
I think it would be good. Like I'm not familiar with. I have done this with runpod before, and in runpod you needed to like take the SSH public key and then paste it inside a file. But I'm not sure how it is on Vast. So.
I haven't used either before, so that's.
So, but I think that like if it's just like you run a command, you take the output of the command, copy paste it, send it to me, and then like let me put this up on the main screen so that you can see what I'm doing on the live stream, because the live stream is what makes it into recording, and recording is what I use to make sure that I'm being efficient.
I'm confused what the second link does, the cloud.was.ai, because it opens like an instance selection for me.
So if you don't have an account already, this is like a referral link for you to sign up with, okay? Or at least you should.
Yeah.
Right?
I already had it, yes. Okay.
So you already have an account, so therefore the referral link won't really do anything for you. So.
Yeah.
Please.
That makes sense, yes.
Okay. And I
Cool.
think.
So I got the SSH key.
Yeah.
Send that
So
on Discord.
here. Yeah. So like we might just take 1x A100, okay, and then we just like keep it up for the thing. Okay, I need to. I have negative $0.39, so I need to do this. But like inside manage, right? I just need to like invite to team, and then I put your email address here. So I'll kind of like keep this off the main screen because I don't want to leak your email address publicly. So I keep this here, and then I paste it in. I got your email addresses already from like you requesting access to the Google Doc, so I'll just take it from there. And then that can be the same account you used to sign up if you haven't used it before. And since you've already set up on, so how do you pronounce Rushan?
Yes, just call me Ration. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna butcher that, but no matter what I try. Sorry. Okay.
Or you can call me Rachel.
Richan.
That could. Yeah.
Richan. Okay, member. Send invitation. Clear. Copy. Send invitation. Kind of sucks. Like you always think you'll get right into coding, and then you have to do all this like.
Yeah.
But I guess it's part of it, right? Gotta have patience for it. My clan. Oh well, I don't have to send Mike. That. Anybody else requested access? Okay, I think I see Ayush is the access request now. Okay, so now I can send it to him. Yeah, so Ayush, Kabir, I've sent you. I've tried to add you to the team. Ruichan, can you also send me your email so I can like add you to the Runpod group?
Oh, sure.
Or if you already have a Runpod group, do you have like money in your account?
No, I haven't used.
Yeah, that's all right. I'll put some. I have to break out the wallet.
Wait, so we're using RunPod or Vast?
We're using Vast. Okay. Purely because I have a setup guide for Vast and I don't have a setup guide for Runpod. Like that's the only reason. But I'm like on 0 credits for both of them because I'm very careless about like, very careless about shutting down pods. Like you can. I was like, oh, I have an automated solution. So Ruiton, yeah. So we just have you put it in the Zoom chat?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll just take it from there. And team chat. Okay. Boop, boop. How do you access Zoom chat? Wow.
There is like a chat link on.
So like at the top of your
sidebar.
screen, there'll be like a thing.
Zoom? Show chat. Oh, okay. Shift Command H. Shift Command H. Oh, I see it now. I see everybody's things here. Okay, so I can put Alex's one as well. Okay, so Yeah, thank you so much. Alex, you. Here's an invite to Alex. Okay. Oh, Alex, are you Mimitor in the YouTube stream? Because I see the Mimitor, but like I don't know if it's Alex or not.
That's me. Yeah.
That's you, nice. Got a, got a voice to the, to the text. That's exciting. Okay, Command Shift H. Shift Command H. Okay. And then got Russian. And so everybody should have in their emails the invitation to join this. And I'm going to download the IRSA.pub, okay, and then also install this. Rishan, do you have yours? Or did you send it to me on Discord? Because I think Kabir sent his on Discord.
Yeah, I'm still kind of struggling with how to generate SSG.
Okay, sure.
Oh,
so you can ask ChatGPT how to do it
just,
on your platform.
yeah. That's what I did as well. Yeah. I asked Claude, but yeah.
Or even inside the Google Doc which I shared, there are instructions over there. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So in the one-time setup part in the Google Doc, so I think that's why one of the reasons I shared the Google Doc ahead of time, because I knew that like SSH keys making them isn't a Zoom background. Okay. So close this. In the meantime, I will add your ID RSA. Yeah. To the. So I'll spin up a new pod for which I need to like put in some cache. So okay. Let me get my card details. And once we have the here the plan is once we have the pod running, we'll connect to the pod and then we'll start running code on the pod, and the code will be to train SAE on Vision Transformer using the Prisma library, okay? And we're going to follow the guide for that. The link to the guide is already there inside the repo, okay? And we will try to solve any issues that come up while we're doing the training on the smaller model. Then we will try to see if there's any changes that need to be made for the bigger model, and then I'll send that code over to my friend with 12 V100s to run, and then he can give the models back to me and we can upload that to SELens or something. Yeah. So that's the plan. Any feedback so far on that?
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
And then anybody who's working on multimodal projects can use that in the maths application, right?
Awesome.
So I think add credit inbox. I see why I ran out of credits. It's because I was from Canada originally. When I moved to London, okay, my Canada card gets blocked because, hey, why are you spending in pounds when you are supposed to be spending in Canadian dollars? And so I get a new card, and then I forget to move over my auto payment from the Canadian card to the British card. Okay, let me do that now. In the meantime, guys, feel free to like make changes to like this my.boot.py just to get a setup for that. Whether we can copy paste that code into the run pod once we have it up. But like, if you're not familiar with Marimo, okay, you can make a new file and then you can just like just work in a regular Python file in case like you don't need to like learn how this niche thing works if it's not something that you're going to use on your own.
Okay. So I'm just deleting the line, which is what is Marima doing there?
So Marimo, what it does is that it's an alternative to Jupyter Notebooks. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm trying it out. Okay, it's a new thing. When I click on Start Marimo, okay, Start Marimo server, edit. Okay. So then Marimo edit, and then no token. So why does it ask me for a token when it says no token? Oh, address already in use. So I think I should go on Warp and like. Well, I can give you a web link actually. So let me put a web link in the Discord. Just if you're curious about like what is Marimo. Marimo.app. Yeah, so this should open in your browser as well since it's on WASM. So put this inside the Discords. I'm not sponsored by Marimo or anything. I'm just like, and I don't even know if I endorse it yet. I just like trying out new tools, just as like a hobby. So I thought that there might be some advantages to this over Jupyter Notebooks, since Neil's workflow is like keep your Python code here, keep your Jupyter notebook here, but like Marimo is kind of a way to like link Python code and Jupyter notebooks.
So is it like you can have your code on the left and then the output on the right kind of thing?
It's like, okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to like put Marimo up here, okay, and then I'll just like show what it is.
Sweet.
So dark mode, but still visible to everybody.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's like reactive execution, which means that if you like update the value here, okay, it should automatically run it. Okay. So one of the cool things which I saw, let me turn off Dark Reader.
So you just don't need to like shift enter basically.
Here, if I move this slider, okay,
Right.
then you see that like this value down here is updating, and so for like interactive demos, people usually use Streamlit, okay, but for me, what I wanted was to try out, using like UI elements. So if I copy, if I like this, there was one with like and then it does some cool stuff with like cell ordering, so that you can prevent some errors which are common. But really, I got it for like this thing where you can just like slide things. Where's the? There was supposed to be like an emoji thing where there was an emoji slider, but I don't have the emoji slider here. Anyway, this is a distraction. Let me close this. But like, that's what it's about. Like, add a new Python code, Python shell, and then you. Okay. So Vast pay money so that it's like, okay, so and this is why I have 3 phones, because like my OTPs come to different phones. Okay. Okay, this is on the phone that's powering my camera. Close Marimo, close this with Prisma, right? So maybe just like make a new file, and then or like if you can Control Shift and then Tab. This should open a terminal for you, and then you can also use the terminal for like stuff you might want to do after you do like source activate like the Python env that I have over here, right? So if you guys do that stuff, I'll just open the run part. Okay, we have 3 people watching the live stream. Nice.
This is it.
This is exactly why I shared the Zoom link, because I know the Zoom link is more engaging than the live stream. Because live stream is just like, you interact with text.
Oh yeah, of course. Okay.
I'm one of those people. Would you like me to drop
No,
the count of it?
obviously not.
I mean, I'm also watching on Zoom, so if you'd like your count to be higher, you could just open 3 tabs.
I can set up bot accounts, like a swarm of them, okay, with like random IPs, okay, and
Yeah.
probably just pump them up. But that's not the
I put a like on your stream as well. Anyone on Zoom should be kicked out of this Zoom call if they
No,
haven't
the
put a
reason I have
like.
both Zoom call and live stream is because live stream is for people who are like passively watching from their phone, and Zoom call is for people who want to actively participate and like
Yeah,
edit
but-
the code.
But if they don't put a mere like on a YouTube stream, they should be kicked out. It's the basic etiquette.
Sure. Should we split up tasks or something, or should we just keep everybody on the same thing? Because, I described what we have to do in order to get this training thing done, but I'm not sure whether that's like factors out into like individual chunks, just so that people can like break off and then come back and then maybe work in parallel. And
I feel like for me, like having the same thing would be good, because like, for me, like at least I don't understand a lot of this stuff.
okay, yeah, so we can, so everybody's comfortable with just like being on single threaded.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd rather be single threaded because it's 3 a.m. in London. So I will be.
Yeah.
Okay,
leave
no
in
worries.
an hour.
Like, my sleep schedule in London was also terrible. It's like 6 a.m. here. So.
I hope you don't mind if I just copy what you had there.
You're just working here too. It doesn't matter. Whatever you
Oh,
want to
cool.
do. All of this is copy paste anyway. So like,
Yeah, exactly.
I just want to run something and see what happens.
Okay, I'm gonna do.
Let's see. We have a HugUT. It's a tin model.
So there's an import error in this. Actually, I'm just gonna close this. No need to have a duplicate. Okay. Any idea what this import error is about? Oh, okay.
What-
It's an input.
I know, just
Wrong.
in this version. Okay.
So we have some training data set. It's a hooked VIT, and then it trains there. I wonder how big is this VIT?
Okay.
Which config? It's model function. RAID, model function config, data set. Now, what is this config?
Oh, I get that as well.
What is it for terminal again?
Control Shift and then the one on the left of the arc, I'm not sure what it's called, but like the backtick.
Wait, control shift.
Backtick. Like right next to the one on the
Back?
Yeah. So the tilde backtick kind of key, yeah, above tab. That one.
Yeah, that's going to cannot edit or read. Oh, terminals underneath. I'm so blind.
Wait, it's so entering to type, but it's not actually doing anything.
Cannot edit. Well, it's a read-only terminal, so we can't edit or read-only.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
I remember.
Oh,
I remember.
oh.
This is one of those things that like is titled on live share. I think that this is like this is a live share thing.
Do I-
I need to just like
Do I need to? Yeah.
like I need you to go.
Do I just
into
make a
the-
new terminal?
Like it's more like I just need to go into the live share settings, okay, and then give you guys like permission for
Oh, okay.
the
Alright.
using the terminal.
Sure.
Which is like one of those things which is the reason that I give people SSH keys to like go into Runpod.
Okay.
But for now, what I can do is I can just go to our shared and share terminal and give you like a new link so that we have a shared terminal. So Command Shift P, share terminal, and can just attach me a new link, and then I can do it. And then no, by default it's read only, but then this will be read write, and I have the shared bash. Okay.
Oh.
And see if you guys have access to this shared bash. But if not, I can like try to see if there's a way to share it.
Oh, I got it. Yeah,
Yeah.
it works.
Cool. So I'm going to keep this on this side and do this on this side. And
Wait, how do I get into the shared bash? I don't think I have a Visual Studio link.
do you have VS Code open on your device?
Yeah, but I don't think I have the right link.
Okay.
But, I mean, I don't have the link at all.
So let me just share the link to the live share.
Thank you.
Yeah. Share collaboration session. Okay. Invite others, and then I put it in the Zoom chat.
Keep things slow. Oh, is that someone else? Maybe that's someone else.
Also,
Are you
there's
on
no
Windows?
Zoom timer. I'm on Mac.
Okay, you're on Mac, so it should work for you directly. Yeah.
Yeah, as a heads up, there is a time left now timer.
Yeah, it's alright. Like it keeps kicking us out every like 30 minutes because I think I have my credit card out now, so I might as well also upgrade Zoom so that it doesn't do that. So, and then we will be able to like be on one call without having disruption. So.
Anyone have any idea why the print isn't printing?
I don't have my dot file set up on this shared terminal, so you're dealing with a completely raw thing. So, currently.
I love this. Oh, that's interesting.
Okay, the meeting has unlimited minutes. I managed to give
Yay.
us pay for us with before we ran out of thing.
So,
Whew. I prioritize that above the fast because I don't want to inconvenience people by sending a new Zoom link out. Okay. Approve. Oh, I have a 2x H100 for some reason.
oh,
I will,
what?
I'll destroy it. I think that's the reason I had $0. I think for like hackathon I'd created it, then I forgot to like close it. So now I'm going to create a
Okay.
new instance and then add your SSH keys.
Mhm.
And let me put this part on the main screen so that people can see. Not seeing a lot of activity in the bash, like in the shared bash. What's going on?
I was trying to run it, but it wasn't running anything.
Huh,
Nice code.
strange. Like, are you sure that it has Python? Try like which Python?
Well, it has the vent, so maybe they're just
Sorry.
interpreting.
We are trying typing in the same thing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it does have Python 3. So. Oh, maybe the exclamation marks are like kind of screwing with it.
Oh, that's fair. Maybe
Like try to put it in like
Oh, one sec.
quotes. Yeah.
So like we can just close, just delete this. Oops.
Save.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You're
Mhm.
right.
Install 1B and then
I just renamed it and stuff. So
Oh,
that should have sorted.
yeah, I don't have requirements of TXT yet. I kind of usually what I do is like I start my project and then like when I start getting to a point where I need to manage dependencies, then I use something called pip tools to extract all of the packages currently installed in the current environment, and then put that into a thing. Because I think some people like to use poetry, but I hate using poetry. So I like to have a recommends.txt file, but I like to have it auto generated. So
Nice.
and let's see. Okay, so now I have. Ooh, connect directly via Jupyter. Well, add remove SSH keys. Right. So now I'll just add everybody's SSH keys to this so that they can all join. They can all like SSH to it. Cool. Boop, boop. get that off of the main
Okay.
screen because nobody wants that.
So we're importing the wide prism library and importing.
You want to visualize results?
What's the hooked wide config?
It's just the parameters for the vision transformer.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can just like F12 it and see.
Are you
exactly.
familiar with PyTorch hooks?
No.
Okay, so
I don't shows.
They're
Looking it
a
up.
way to basically just like look at and mess with the internals of a model.
Oh,
and
okay.
Applications are going across it. So like transformer lens uses hooks and like packages them as an extra way. So like for example, you can like see what the specific value at like layer 12 is or whatever, or you can change the value at like layer 12 neuron 2 using hooks. So it's basically you just make a function that runs at some specific point in the model, and it like either outputs something or changes something, and that's the basic idea behind hooks.
Okay. I've only heard of hooks using like for like if you have like a database and we want when this value is updated, then have this thing will happen.
Yeah, it's the same idea that like when you hit some point in the model, do something. That's what a hook is. It's just a function that does something at some point in the model that you specify.
Okay. So specifying like okay when this weight changes or something, or like when this output is made, like what kind of stuff?
So like you could do at neuron 4 at layer 3, whenever
Right.
it is like whenever you pass through that neuron, add 1 to the output of the neuron, or
Oh, okay.
things like that, or like add 1 to whatever is coming into the neuron before it processes something, right?
Okay.
Like swap some weights or whatever, or so yeah, like any way you want to mess with model internals, you can do part of that with hooks.
Okay. And what about like, the limitations of PyTorch hooks?
It's a good question, actually. I don't really know. I haven't messed with them. Like
a lot of people prefer to use PyTorch hooks over transformer lens because it can be a bit more flexible. But transformer lens is basically like a wrapper around PyTorch hooks to like look into and manipulate.
Okay.
The large language
What does
model.
transformer lens like make like better or easier about it?
Well, it's designed to work specifically for transformers, so it already supports a lot of the popular architectures out of the box. What we're going to be
Okay.
using is kind of a fork of SAE lens. So SAE lens was
Right.
built by Joseph Bloom, who's the maintainer for transformer lens. So this is designed to work for SAEs because Neil in his application says he's really excited about like SAE work. So we're kind of like trying to give him what he wants.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't catch what is it. What is Neil excited about?
Sparse autoencoders. So like large
okay.
language models are transformer models, okay, and vision transformers are basically transformer architecture with like some changes. So sparse autoencoders are used to understand features inside transformers. Don't ask me what a feature is. Okay, I still don't get I still didn't get
Yeah.
it.
Oh wait,
But,
this is
like,
actually
Okay.
one of my questions I had in my Google Doc. I think I found an answer. Let me actually find it.
so it means different things in different contexts, right? Yeah. But yeah, so like the history, so like the tree is like transformer lens, SAE lens for doing interpretability on transformers. So transformer lens for doing interpretability on transformers. SAE lens because Joseph Bloom wanted to repository that he created, maybe like because Neil had created transformer lens. And there's Neuropedia, which is kind of like a company which is built around SAE lens.
Yeah.
Okay. Which he started with somebody who used to be at Apple. Okay. And then there's Vit Prisma, which this PhD student in I think Montreal, Sonia Joseph, she built it around SAE lens, and she uses that for like vision transformer stuff. Is it a fork of SAE lens or is it a fork of transformer lens? I'm not sure. I think it's a fork of transformer lens. Yeah, but I think Prisma will have stuff for both transformers and SAEs.
Mhm.
So, okay, it's just cat rsa.pub. So I just need to go to downloads. CD downloads. Seriously? I use this modified version of CD which tries to like learn based on where you've visited in the past. So you don't need to put the exact path in. It's like, and it's interactive, so like as you put in, it like shows you like CDI. Check this out. So I do CDI, okay, and then I can just be like downloads, and then it's like puts up the results. So like, you know, I could be like,
cool.
what's this, maths? Yeah, and then it's like, so it's like fuzzy search, is it? Neat, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
What terminal? What is that?
This is Warp. It's like an AI terminal. So like
Oh.
the nice thing is
Okay.
like I don't have to go to ChatGPT and ask it, hey, what did I like? What is the command for this? So I can just be like
Yeah.
hashtag, and then I can like, you know, be like, give me the command for this or that, and then it'll use AI to like generate the command
Okay.
for it.
Does this run locally or does it like use an API key or something?
I think it doesn't run locally. Like Warp AI is remote, so it makes a query to Warp AI and then it, like it comes back to you. But you wouldn't want to run
Right.
LLM on your hardware anyway. Like it wouldn't fit. But you don't need to use an API key. I think you can if you want to. But like in Cursor, I have API keys set up. So like I spend
Yeah.
like $4,000 to $5,000 on the Claude API every month, which is like kind of unsustainable.
Wait, 4,000 every month? Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Like on Opus? Are you just using Opus, or is it like Sonnet? You're spending $5,000.
Opus and Sonnet and Haiku and like all of them. Yeah. So.
Dang, yeah.
Damn.
Cursor is so nice though. I got the.
Oh my God, yeah.
And
It's
I'm
crazy.
hooked.
I
I'm
wish it didn't do all the telemetry nonsense. But like, yeah, Cursor's very good. There's this like NeoVim like version or something, like someone's trying to make an open source thing. I want to try it out sometime this week. It's probably gonna be absolute shit. But I want to try it anyways. Just like, you know, if I can just get a Cursor without telemetry, that'd be great.
What telemetry does it do? Does it like take everything you write, or what?
Basically every single like request that you send, is sending all of the data to OpenAI.
Oh, well, I
But
mean,
obviously-
yeah, that's a query, right?
Drop a
I
link.
know,
to that.
no. I mean, like even if you're using like Claude, it's still sending it to OpenAI. Even if you're using a local model with like Llama or something, it's still sending it to OpenAI.
That's so weird.
I mean, it's because OpenAI is an investor in Cursor, that's why. And
Well,
obviously,
I guess none of your code will be stored or any third party except for OpenAI and Anthropic, which persist.
does it say and Anthropic?
Yeah, so they persist the prompts we sent to them for 30 days.
Okay.
Anyways,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like it probably doesn't make a difference or whatever, but like I just find it a bit creepy.
Yeah.
So like if the NeoVim thing is workable, then I won't try it.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Send a link.
Oh, sure.
Also, where'd you get CDI from? Is that just like a built-in, or is that like
Oh,
a?
I sent you a link to a video that video tutorial.
Oh, okay.
I'll just send it into Discord.
Yeah, I'll send it in the Discord. Because I switched from Mac, like from Windows to Mac when I like moved out of Microsoft, and like I on Windows I have this thing called like Everything, which can like search all of your files, but like I couldn't figure out how to use Finder. Like I looked at some tutorials on YouTube, like how do you use Finder on Mac, and it's like I still haven't figured it out. So I just kind of like try to use the terminal to find things.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I don't have Archive Box set up on my Mac. Otherwise, I would have the thing downloaded and saved on a hard drive. So I just need to like go back to the channel which I got it from.
This is Warp, a real.
Scroll.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna head out. I think I should probably sleep soon. But
Mm-hmm.
That's fair. I chose this time because I thought it would be good for people based in the US. So,
yeah, so it was good. It was nice. If you guys get anything, like good luck or whatever. If you do get anything,
Yeah.
chuck it in Discord. I would be very interested.
I still have energy for
Alright.
like 1 or 2 more hours. So I'm going to hang on. But yeah, feel free to drop off. And you can always view the live stream to like catch up on anything you missed. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the live
Sick,
stream,
yeah.
probably, so.
Sweet. I might actually like I'll maybe try something similar myself. It'll be a much more incompetent, but I want to like
I think I would like you to just hang on until you can SSH into
Yeah.
the pod, like, and then drop off. Just because
Oh, sure.
that way I can give you support, like, without having it go a bit more back and forth. Like, but
Oh, sure,
if you
sure,
need to drop
sure.
off now, like, feel free to drop off now as well. Like, it's just,
yeah, please, of course, yeah. So how do I SSH into the pod? What's
so
the
I'm adding a SSH
the
key right now. Okay, once I SSH, give you the SSH
cool,
key.
cool.
But just refer to like the Google Doc which I sent, and that should have the
Sure.
instructions.
Okay. Let's get that up.
Yeah, I'm also gonna head out 3:30
Okay.
a.m. in London.
Okay.
I
So,
think
yeah,
so.
good luck.
In that case, it might be a
Yeah.
good idea to just wrap up the call then once we have everybody SSH in, because then I can like
Cool. Okay, make
make
an
this at a night time.
account.
Okay, see you. Thanks for doing it.
Yeah,
once
just
again.
make sure to SSH
Super
into the
exciting.
pod first, okay? Like,
Oh,
so like
it's
5
session
more
to the
minutes.
pod. Okay, wait. Yeah. Okay.
So I've added
okay,
Ayush's
do-
key. I've added.
So there's a Google Doc in here. This one.
Alex's key.
What's the address of the pod?
Yeah, let me give that in the Zoom chat. So I'll give you both the direct SSH Connect address and the proxy SSH address. So, and I've also added. So, just want to make sure I didn't make any errors when in like the key that I entered, right?
So create message keys.
Okay, so now I'm going to share with you Shift Command H. Okay, Shift Command H, and then here is one of the commands, and then where's the other command? It's inside Google Chrome, and
Okay, I think I'm in.
you're in. Nice. So if you have problems with that one, I'll give you the other one. Okay, see, so hopefully this works for everybody.
Cool. Just do the install of Fast AI.
So one of the ways you can do it is like if you just like maybe open a new window, okay? Open with SSH, and then like paste
do
it
I
in.
need to do anything else?
Like
Do I need to do anything else?
no, okay, that should be good. As long as you are able to SSH into it, you feel free to drop off now.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Hope this was helpful.
Thank you. Thank you again for doing it. Super exciting. Okay. Looking forward to next sessions. Bye.
I'll make sure to notify you guys in the group chat once,
Oh, cool. I think I've done that. Awesome, sweet.
Camera.
Yeah, so
Yep.
it should say like the welcome to vast.ai container. This session
Yeah.
is running in. Cool, awesome.
Nice.
I'm just gonna.
What time is it there?
It's about 3:34 a.m. That's fine. I've got some client stuff to do anyways. Which honestly I've been putting it off because it's very boring.
How long have I been streaming?
Sorry?
101 minutes ago. Oh, it's been nearly 2 hours.
Yeah. The SSH command, is it okay if I copy paste that into Discord, or would you prefer I don't?
It won't work for anybody who doesn't have their keys inside anyway.
Okay, so it's okay for me to post
Yeah.
into the group
Yeah,
chat?
definitely.
Awesome, sweet. Sweet. That's sweet. Got that all set up. Awesome. I'm gonna head out for now. Thanks so much, Sheik. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
I hope you don't mind if I ask some questions and stuff later on. Because I definitely want to get like much more familiar with SAEs and stuff. By the way, something I want to do is like have like speed runs and stuff of like finding circuits and stuff. Is that something that you'd be interested in at all?
Speedruns, yes, but like I'm also want to hire a video editor so that we can also like edit some of the things into like tutorials. So because I'm
Yeah.
going to,
Yeah, for sure.
we have like 30 people in all the group chats because it's like I manually recruit each one of them, and so like 5 or 6 of them, they know how to get to this point. Like where you have live share, where you have SSH, where you have like vast instance.
Yeah.
But for the rest, I kind of want to make this into like an educational video for them, so that if I'm collaborating with a different set of people for like the training, the VIT part, you know, it's like they're coming in with the same background which I've given to you guys so far, right?
Awesome.
But yeah, just can you repeat what you said, just so I can like make a note of it?
Yeah. So like something I want to do is like, cause I think we can like optimize the way that we do circuit discovery and stuff a lot, and I want to do this with like speedruns. So like basically people are competing for like seeing who can like find and interpret a circuit the fastest.
Oh, okay, like a competition kind of thing. That sounds cool.
Yeah. Like I've already kind of like got the basics like stuff needed for that already set up. It's just the test site. So it's gonna have like circuit. So that's
Send it
not
in the
there.
Discord.
Oh, cool. Yeah. But yeah. Want to get this like. The only reason I've not already made a submission is because I still want to figure out like how to do SAs properly myself, and then I'll.
So
I'll
I
be
don't know much
making-
about SAs,
well,
but I do have friends
Yeah.
who know a lot about SAs. So
Yeah.
you know, it's like
It doesn't have to be like SAs, just like finding and interpreting a circuit.
yeah. I mean, and I know I've read authors' circuit discovery papers, so you know.
Awesome.
I just don't know how I'd apply that to SAs instead of like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah. Awesome. Thanks so much. Thanks so
Yeah.
much. I'm gonna head out. I'm definitely gonna be asking like questions up later on.
This was
Thank
really
you.
productive. You know, really appreciate you guys.
Yeah. That does.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for doing it. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.